Hi class, this is Sister Whiting. I just wanted to give you all a brief overview of how you can check to see if you have submitted an assignment. There are several ways in iLearn 3 where you can do this. So here we are on the home page. The first option, if you want to check to see if you've submitted your discussions, we can scroll down to the discussion board. And one of the easier ways, there are actually two views to the discussion board. If you click on this down arrow, you can view by topic or view it in the grid view. I find it easier to double check that I have made my responses by looking at the grid view. So I'll know if I've made my initial one, but then I can count to see if I've made the required, any required additional replies, if that's required for that week's discussion board. If you want to check quizzes, we can click on the quizzes tab, and over here you can see the number of attempts I've made. We didn't have any quizzes this first week, but next week we will. And so you can see the attempts that you've made on each quiz and whether or not you've completed all the ones that are necessary for that lesson. When we have assignments to submit, again, you can click on the Assignments tab and you'll see here the number of submissions. These will not be automatically graded like many of the quizzes that you'll submit this semester. So the score won't show up, but your submission will be there. So that means I should be able to access it. You have submitted it correctly, and then once I grade it, your grade will appear here. The other option is if you go to My Grades, you can see your user progress, and here it's going to show you kind of overall what your grade was for each quiz and whether or not you have completed all of the quizzes or assignments for that lesson. So these are the ways that you can check to see if you have completed your assignments or not each week.